So, right now kasi, ito based on my experience, kasi it says, ang covered lang po ay indigent seniors. Pag tinatanong ko sa mga senior, sino po sa inyo ang senior? Taas ang kamay. Sino sa inyo ang indigent o nangangailangan? Silang lahat nakataas pa rin ang kamay. So, the problem with the term indigent is, ang hirap ma-define.
Correct.
Diba? Kasi it's really subjective, diba? Yung pag tinanong mo sino nangangailangan, lahat nangangailangan talaga. So, what are your thoughts on universal social pension?
One, it's fair. We're fully supportive of it, and it will certainly make our lives so much simpler.
We love you, Sec. Kasi yan talagang pinaglalaban namin.
We are, for the-
our Congress voted unanimously for this bill. Pasado na dito sa Congress. At sana tulungan nyo kami na ipaglaban ang universal social pension sa Senado. Kasi yun ang kailangan namin at this point, Sec.
Madam Chair, we will do our part because we believe in that initiative.
Yes, and para sa akin, Sec, seniors provide childcare. Sa ibang bansa, as you know, childcare is subsidized by the government. Dito, it's not. So parang sa tingin ko, panahon na na pag-isipan. We need to subsidize apostolic care. Nakakapagtrabaho ang tayo dahil ako, inientrega ko yung 4 ko na anak sa nanay ko araw-araw, hindi ko siya binabayaran. Sorry, mommy. I think maraming ganon. So kung hindi natin susuportahan ang seniors, marami po ang hindi makakapagtrabaho, especially the women.
Madam Chair, we are fully supportive and we understand that that concept to make our people more productive in a sense. It's a whole cycle of going back to the economy anyway. We agree with it, Madam Chair. You put it this way, it's an investment towards making our people more productive, our able-bodied or a younger set of people be productive part of the workforce.
Yun.